Welcome students to our lecture on RNA and DNA. Today, we'll delve into the fundamental building blocks of nucleic acids and explore their crucial roles in biological processes. Let's begin by defining and explaining nucleotides and nucleosides. Nucleotides are the basic structural units of nucleic acids. They consist of three components: a nitrogenous base, a 5-carbon sugar, and one or more phosphate groups. Nucleosides, on the other hand, are similar but lack the phosphate group. They're composed of just a nitrogenous base and a sugar molecule. Let's break down the components of nucleotides in more detail. The nitrogenous base can be either a purine or a pyrimidine. Purines include adenine and guanine, while pyrimidines include cytosine, thymine, and uracil. The sugar component is either deoxyribose in DNA or ribose in RNA. Finally, the phosphate group is crucial for forming the backbone of nucleic acid chains. Now, let's discuss the functions of nucleotides. These versatile molecules play various roles in cellular processes. Firstly, they serve as the building blocks for DNA and RNA, which are essential for genetic information, storage, and transfer. Secondly, nucleotides act as energy carriers, with ATP being the most well-known example. They're also involved in cell signaling, with cyclic AMP serving as a second messenger in many biological pathways. Recent research has uncovered even more fascinating roles for nucleotides. For instance, a 2022 study published in Nature Communications revealed that certain nucleotides can act as neurotransmitters, expanding our understanding of their importance in neural signaling. Moving on to the types of nucleic acids, we primarily focus on two: deoxyribonucleic acid DNA and ribonucleic acid RNA. DNA is the molecule that carries genetic instructions for the development, functioning, growth, and reproduction of all known organisms. RNA, on the other hand, plays a crucial role in gene expression by acting as a messenger, regulator, and even a catalyst in certain biological processes. Let's differentiate between RNA and DNA. While both are nucleic acids, they have several key differences. Firstly, DNA is typically double-stranded, forming the famous double helix structure, while RNA is usually single-stranded. The sugar component differs as well. DNA contains deoxyribose, while RNA contains ribose. In terms of nitrogenous bases, DNA uses thymine, while RNA replaces it with uracil. Another significant difference lies in their functions. DNA primarily stores and transmits genetic information, while RNA has more diverse roles. It can carry genetic information as messenger RNA, mRNA, assist in protein synthesis as transfer RNA, or play structural and catalytic roles as ribosomal RNA, RNA. Recent advancements in our understanding of RNA have revealed its importance in gene regulation. The discovery of long non-coding RNAs, long kinase, has opened up new avenues of research. A 2023 study in Cell demonstrated how certain LNCRNs can influence gene expression by modulating chromatin structure, highlighting the complex interplay between different types of nucleic acids. The field of epigenetics has also shed light on how DNA modifications can affect gene expression without changing the underlying sequence. Methylation of cytosine bases, for example, can lead to gene silencing. This demonstrates that the function of nucleic acids goes beyond just carrying genetic information. In conclusion, nucleotides and nucleic acids are fundamental to life as we know it. From storing genetic information to regulating cellular processes, their roles are diverse and essential. As we continue to unravel the complexities of DNA and RNA, we gain deeper insights into the molecular basis of life and disease. This knowledge not only enhances our understanding of biology, but also paves the way for innovative medical treatments and biotechnological applications. Remember, the field of molecular biology is rapidly evolving, and new discoveries are constantly reshaping our understanding of nucleic acids. as future medical professionals. It's crucial to stay informed about these advancements and their potential implications for healthcare and research.